Next in Python, we are going to do replace space, in which if user has provided two spaces in a string, it is going to replace that space with a single space. So here I am taking a variable text input and enter a string. So message. Now print our string is in text variable. So text dot replace bracket. Now we want to replace string with two spaces wherever we have given two spaces with a single space. So this is a string. Here we have given two spaces, one space and two space, and it is going to replace this string with a single space string. So save it and run it. So here it is asking us enter a string. I'm giving hello, one space, second space, world. So it has reduced two spaces to single space. Now here we can replace some particular alphabet with some other character. So for that, if we want to replace O in hello one string with @ character, so what we'll do, within double quotes, here we'll provide O, and we want to replace it with @ character. Save it and run it. So here it is asking us enter a string. Again our string is hello world. Enter. Here we can see that O in both of these words is replaced by @ character.